You keep it clean. You keep it fresh. You keep it bright. An ordinary scissor lift is too big to maneuver through in tight spaces. You're not worried though. You're using the AICHI Vertical Mast Lift, the compact aerial work platform that puts you where you need to be. The AICHI Vertical Mast Lift uses a mast instead of scissor linkages as the lifting device. The result is a more compact design with a tight turning radius that fits into tight spaces and down narrow passages. The AICHI Vertical Mast Lift is packed with features you'd expect on a larger aerial platform. It's powered by industry-leading AC drive motors. They're more efficient than competitors' DC motors, so they deliver longer run times between charges. And the AC motors have fewer moving parts. That means less maintenance. The AC motors provide smooth, precise travel. And in conjunction with the AICHI ergonomic control handle, you put the vertical mast lift right where you want it. And while you're up there, take advantage of the extending platform to get to those hard-to-reach places. Nylon rollers allow for smooth, controlled operation. Back down on the ground, there's a lower control box, useful for emergencies and for service. Note the multifunction display. It shows you battery charge level, hour meter, fault code readouts, and more. And it allows onboard tuning without a laptop computer. Battery access is easy. And so is checking the hydraulic oil level. The AICHI Vertical Mast Lift is so thoughtful, it even has an AC power outlet for tools and other devices. Whether the ups and downs of your job occur performing facilities maintenance, on a construction site, or in a warehousing environment, the AICHI Vertical Mast Lift is your solution. Convenient, compact, complete. For more information, contact your full-line Toyota forklift dealer or visit toyotaforklift.com.